This is a 2016 Nissan Rogue. The brake fluid level is low and there is no leak, so we will change the front brake pads. When you jack up your car, make sure to use jack stand all the time. And those are the bolts that you remove. You use 14 and the other one is down there. No, just put it on the floor. Okay. Take the other one out.
The new one?
Yes, the other one.
Oh, there's one in the back?
Yeah. You can see my hand. Make sure put light brake lubricant on the side. Here. Here. This is the back side, never here, just the back side. I also put lubricant on here, because this is the one touching the back of the brake pad. Okay. I don't have the special brake tool, so I just have a C-clamp, so I'm just using a C-clamp, and it works. Okay, there you go. This we just now we have to put back the caliper. Yeah. Now we just put back the first bolt, and now the second bolt. Always use a star sequence, loosening or tightening.